Hi, this is the Marmot. We're putting up this video to fix the printer issue we've been having. A lot of people have been trying to print but have been unable to, so what we're going to do here is teach you really quickly how to make all your printers work again. We've recently moved on to a new server. As you can see, these two printers are labeled differently. One is TBS, the other one is DCO2. Like I've done here, just go to a printer that has DCO2 labeled at the back, right click it, and hit remove device. Once you have done this, all you have to do is go to your computer taskbar and restart your computer, and after that you should be able to use the remaining printers that are labeled DCO1. That's the end of this little quick tutorial. Hope you guys have a good day. Also, sorry for the weird music in the background, guys. That I could not figure out how to get rid of it.